Once upon a time, there was a village where a rabbit and tortoise lived down the hill. The rabbit proposed to have a race to instill some adventurism, and the tortoise agreed. The rabbit proposed the route for the race and also the time. The route for the race was discussed with a panel of judges, and the race began. As the race began, the rabbit ran so fast that within minutes his image merged with the clouds in the sky, which looked like it was reaching down to the valley. The tortoise was not disturbed, but ran steadily towards the route decided. The rabbit was passing through the village when he realized that he was way ahead of the tortoise and had a great meal, and decided to rest for a while. When he woke up, he realized it was dark and the sun had set. He quickly started running to the winning post. When he reached, he realized that the tortoise was having a toast and celebrating his victory. The rabbit went home and analyzed the reason for losing the race after studying a book on how to win strategically. The book listed few important things. Never underestimate competition. Never be overconfident. Never take your strength for granted. Always keep your goal in mind. Never rest till your goal is reached. Failure is an event, never a person. The rabbit had another meeting with the tortoise and proposed another race. The tortoise agreed. The next day, the race began, and this time the rabbit rehearsed his 5 strategy points and did not stop running till he reached his winning post. The tortoise consulted his peers and decided that he will run one more race, but will suggest a different route. He met the rabbit again and proposed another race on a new route. The rabbit was sure about his management mantra and was very sure to win again. The tortoise had included crossing of a river in his new route, and though the rabbit reached the point there, he was waiting for the tide to change course. The tortoise swam through to the other side and reached the winning post even before the rabbit could make it after the tide. Moral of the story: good strategy may look good on paper, but tough on implementation. What may work in one case may not in another. Even if you know the competition like the back of your palm, bacteria may strike from under your nails and immobilize you. Slow, steady, and strategy will win the race. Learn to swim against the tide if you need to survive. The rabbit was very ashamed of losing the race and decided to leave the country for good. It packed and set off after a tearful farewell from its friends. As he was leaving out of the village, the tortoise stopped him and said,
"He who falls today may rise tomorrow, and those who stand together will be team that win forever. Let's be a team and try the race tomorrow."
The rabbit was moved by the tortoise's word and agreed to race again the next day as a team. The rabbit carried the tortoise on the land, and the tortoise carried the rabbit while crossing the river. Together, they had fun, camaraderie, blending of minds, ideas, and above all, they were team unbeatable. When they reached the winning post, they had the whole village waiting and cheering them on their achievement. The spirit of winning doubles when you achieve it as a team. The rabbit and the tortoise now have formed a team. Each one has their own strength and weakness. In a team, you can depend on one another to reach your goals. Together, you're always winners. Teamwork and success go hand in hand. Reach out now, get your team together. Creating the team to win is in your hands. Teamwork. Together, everyone achieves more. Inspect, learn, forecast strategies. Teamwork is the ability to work together towards a common vision. It's the ability to direct individual accomplishment towards organizational objectives. It is the fuel that allows common people to obtain uncommon results.